Hello, I'm Ian from Emotion Systems, and this video is a brief guide to how to install engine evaluation software onto a Mac. Evaluation versions of all Emotion Systems software is available to download from emotion-systems.com/try, which takes you to the page that you can see here. Fill in the details, and in the drop down at the bottom select which product and which operating system, and then submit that. The engine installer is supplied as a .pkg file, and I have it ready downloaded on my desktop. So to start the installation, we double click the pkg file. Select defaults all the way through here. Type in our password. And the software has finished installing, and it's now ready to be activated. To activate the license, you'll need to click proceed and then send a copy of this screenshot to support@emotion-systems.com, and we will respond with the activation code. Once you've entered the activation code and click activate, your 10-day trial has started. Well, I hope this video was useful, and thank you for watching.